How to recover your TikTok with no email. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you will be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So if you are going to recover your TikTok, this is what you will do. First up, open up your TikTok. And in here we got a few options. What we would choose is use phone or email. But we will not use neither the phone nor the email. What we will do is click on the question mark above. And after that, report a problem. And in here in report a problem, click on recovery account. And in the recover account section, you will be using the TikTok username. So just click on TikTok username. And in here, just simply type in your username of your TikTok. Just click on next after you have typed in your username. And in here, we will click need help at the bottom. So after clicking need help, you will be introduced to this one. So tell us your feedback. You can just manually tell your problem, like you can't log in or you don't have the password. And you can also type in your new email so that they would know who to contact. So I hope you have learned from this video, and please like and subscribe.